Happy morning, everyone. This is Sarfraz sir. Our UT syllabus is completed, so we will discuss revision of the chapters. In this, we will revise the exercises of the chapter. Our first chapter was Internet, the networking concepts, in which we have learned about networking and its advantages, types of networks, accessing file from a shared drive, networking components, network architecture, and network security. Let we discuss about recap of the chapter. In a network, two or more computers can communicate with each other and share data and peripheral devices. These peripheral devices are known as those hardware devices which are helpful for computer. Networking in computers bring efficiency, economy and effectiveness in in any organization. Right? Efficiency means its speed will be increased when our computer in a network, and it is also good economical. Third point is we can send messages at a very fast speed over long distances using satellite and microwaves with the help of email also. WAN are the types of network: personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network we have discussed in the chapter. Computer networks are of two main types: client server and peer to peer. Two types we have discussed, in which one server was there and many clients were connected to it. And peer to peer network, there are the nodes which are of same caliber and capabilities. A server is a computer that provides services to the clients. Next point is, in peer to peer network there is no central server. Instead, each computer can act as a server as well as a client. We have discussed. Network security refers to protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. When we secured our network, the outer people cannot access our account. The people those are authorized, they will only access the accounts. Now we will come to the fill-ups. Blank is a computer network created for an individual person. तो individual person के लिए है, तो this is personal area network. System allow us to talk any person in the world at any time. When? When it is a wide area network. WAN. A computer network enables two or more computers to share data. We can share our data and hardware resources. In a network, modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at a single point. Means at a single point we will make the changes and automatically the changes will done. Next is, the computers that communicate with each others are called nodes. Next, a network maintained without using wires are called wireless networking, without any wire. Local area network and metropolitan area network are different types of networkings. You have to complete these exercises in your books if you are having books. Otherwise, order the books. State true or false. Nodes and servers have the same function. It is false. Both have different type of functions. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It is true. It is a full form of it. Network cards are used to physically attach a computer to a network. This is correct. WAN stands for wide area network. This is also true. In client server there are no central server. This is false, because in a client, in a server, there is a server computer and many clients are there. Extranet refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. If they have launched any extranet, so this is their personal area network. It means It is true. Now come to the multiple choice questions. Which is the most commonly used network card? The answer is Ethernet network card. We have discussed it in the chapter. The blank are the certain sets of rules that determine how data should be transferred over a network. So I have told you that rules and regulation, those are known as protocols. The protocol is the right answer. What do we call the computers that are connected to the server? Those are nodes. Blank security means protecting data and resources from an unauthorized access. This is network security. We secured our network. Now come to the question answers. These question answers you have to do in your copy, computer copy. Only the question answer will do in the copy. Left the exercises are there, so you will complete in your book only. Now these are short answer type question. What is networking? Give some common relevant examples. So a computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together. जब हमने उनको आपस में ज्वाइन कर दिया तो वो क्या नेटवर्किंग हो गया एक तरीके का. एग्जाम्पल्स आर इंटरनेट, जिसमें कंप्यूटर्स बहुत सारे कनेक्टेड रहते हैं, या वायरलेस नेटवर्क हम बनाते हैं, या लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क बनाते हैं, या हम अपने स्कूल में एक नेटवर्क बनाते हैं. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ नेटवर्क्स आर दी एग्जाम्पल. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ नेटवर्किंग: प्रिजर्विंग इंफॉर्मेशन इन विच यू हैव वन प्लेस फॉर स्टोरेज. सर्वर कंप्यूटर होता है, उस पर एक ही जगह पर इंफॉर्मेशन को आप स्टोर कर सकते हैं, ये भी एक एडवांटेज है. रिडक्शन इन हार्डवेयर कॉस्ट. बहुत सारे प्रिंटर्स लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, एक ही प्रिंटर आपने लगा दिया, बाकी सारे से कनेक्शन इस्टेब्लिश कर दिए, नेटवर्क इस्टेब्लिश कर दिया, तो सभी लोग उसे प्रिंट ले सकते हैं. इन अ नेटवर्क डिलीशन मॉडिफिकेशन इज़ वेरी क्विक. सर्वर कंप्यूटर पे चेंजेस किए, क्लाइंट्स पर अपने आप चेंजेस हो गए, इट इज़ वेरी फास्ट. सॉफ्ट कॉपीज़ फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर विल बी फास्ट, विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड फास्ट. बहुत जल्दी से आप सेंड कर सकते हैं. सॉफ्ट कॉपी हार्ड कॉपी में मैं डिफरेंस पहले ही बता चुका हूँ. डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन लैन एंड वैन. दिस क्वेश्चंस आंसर यू हैव टू राइट ऑन योर ओन. ठीक, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. You have videos with you, the local area network and wide area network. This is your homework, you have to do yourself. What do you understand by network security? We have already discussed login security and write security. You have to do on your own. Next, explain client server network. It is a network where several computers called clients or workstation or are connected to the main computer called server. तो जो दूसरे कंप्यूटर्स होते हैं जो मेन कंप्यूटर से अटैच रहते हैं वो नोड्स होते हैं, और मेन कंप्यूटर दैट इज़ नोन एज सर्वर. तो these question answer 1 2 3 4 5 question answers you have to do in your fair copy, ठीक, that computer copy, and rest of the exercises in your book only. Define the following terms. These are some terms which definition is also given. WAP, wireless access point. It is a device that connects wireless communication devices to form a network. राइट, एक डिवाइस होता है जो फॉर्म करता है कम्युनिकेशन को. ब्लूटूथ, इट इज़ अ वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी यूज टू इंटरकनेक्ट मोबाइल फ़ोन्स. शॉर्ट रेंज जो होती है उसमें आपको पता है आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन्स में भी ब्लूटूथ का ऑप्शन होता है, और कंप्यूटर्स में भी आता है, लैपटॉप्स में भी आता है. उनमें शॉर्ट रेंज में एक नेटवर्क को इस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. सर्वर इज़ अ पावरफुल कंप्यूटर दैट प्रोवाइड्स सर्विसेज टू द क्लाइंट्स एंड कंट्रोल एक्सेस टू हार्डवेयर. ये हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. नोड्स और क्लाइंट्स इज़ अ कंप्यूटर विच रिक्वेस्ट सर्विसेज. सर्वर से जो है वो रिक्वेस्ट करता है डेटा के लिए, और वहाँ डेटा रिट्रीव होके आ जाता है. तो these exercises are completed. Hope you understand the things. I am also sending the PDF of it. So if you are having any problem, please contact. Thank you.